Hi, I just wanted to take a couple minutes to show you how to submit your assignment. That'd be easier to do a quick video than to try and write out all the instructions. So you'll go to week 3 and then go down to the college communication worksheet. Open that up, and then you'll go down here to where it shows that you're not yet, hasn't been submitted. You will view the assessment, okay, and then go all the way down here to submission. Okay, that is where you're going to submit it. And then you'll go here, do the attachment, find the assignment in your where you have it saved. You save it, and then there we go. And then submit, submit, yes, submit. And then it was successful. Okay. You'll receive an email saying that it's been downloaded. And then you can also download the submission receipt. I would suggest downloading this just in case something happens and you were ever told that it has not been received. So hopefully that helps. Sorry if you heard some heavy breathing in the background. I have a very old dog that tends to breathe very heavy. So anyways, I hope this helps and let me know. Thank you.